In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, install, and start using apps in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and how to get your new tools working in the right channels. Let's start inside Slack. Look at the left sidebar and find the Apps section. If you don't see it right away, click More to expand the list. This is a quick way to see what's already available and discover new options without leaving your workspace. If you prefer browsing in a web browser, you can also head to the Slack Marketplace, which lets you search, read descriptions, and review what each app can do before you add it. Next, pick the app you want. You can browse categories or use the search bar to find something specific. As you evaluate an app, take a moment to read its overview and check what features it offers. It's also helpful to glance at the permissions it requests so you understand what information it needs to work properly in your workspace. When you're ready, click the Add to Slack button on the Apps page. Slack will guide you through the installation prompts. You may be asked to choose the workspace, confirm permissions, or allow access to certain channels. Some workspaces require an admin to approve apps, so if you see a request for approval, just submit it and continue once it's granted. After the app is installed, you may be prompted to connect your account. This is common for apps that sync data from other services. Follow the on-screen steps to sign in and authorize the connection so Slack and the app can talk to each other securely. If you skip this part, certain features may not work as expected. You may also need to add the app to specific channels. This ensures the app can post updates or respond where your team collaborates. Use the app's options to add it to a channel, or open the channel's settings to include it there. Keep in mind that private channels usually require you to add the app explicitly. Now you're ready to start using the app. You can interact with it from its App Home tab to see dashboards or settings, use the Shortcuts menu to trigger actions, or receive messages from the app directly in channels. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that the app is connected, added to the right channel, and allowed to post. That's it. You found an app, installed it, connected accounts where needed, added it to channels, and started using its features in Slack.